Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our usual analysis for gold. But for 26th of May 2023, today is 25th May, but I'll try to give you my analysis for the tomorrow, which is Friday, end of the week as well. And looking at the calendar, uh, it is it's not end of month, but it's end of the week. 31st of May will be the end of month, and Monday is bank holiday. So in UK, let's see what's in other countries. What is it? It's in 29th. Yeah, Euro USD bank holiday as well. So, so this analysis is for tomorrow. So I will do my analysis for the Tuesday 30th on during the weekend. There's no bank holiday that day. So today I start with 26 for tomorrow, 26th of May 2023. With the Forex factory, let's see what's happening here. We've got heavy impact and low impact news as well, medium impact, low impact news as well. 130 core PC, and we got core durable goods orders. We've got some low impact news, and we've got again 3 p.m. medium impact and one low impact at 3 p.m. as well. So starting from 130 onwards, we have quite a few news for gold, USD, and let's see this core PC price index actually greater than forecast is good for currency, and this actually greater than of our forecast is good for currency as well. This is already a prediction is lower than previous, and durable goods orders actually greater than so. So let's see. Today we had positive. All the news was positive today, as you can see today, and hence the gold came down quite a bit. On the other hand, Dixie was moving to the upside as well, so that was another reason. Going to 4-hour and daily, you can see the Dixie moved to the upsides. So that was another reason the gold went to the downside. Now what happened? As I said, this if this level is broken, we can see market to the downside. It was around 1950 level. That was a good number as well. 1950 market came down to this level and tried to reject this, but because of the news as well, and overall the gold is bearish. Weekly is bearish, as you know. So the news will help it to come to the downside. And the last price it touched was this 1940, and we can expect tomorrow 1935. That's a good level as well. 1935-ish level. And this is an order block here, 1915. So we can expect finally market come to this level. But analyzing in 4-hour daily charts, 1935 is a good level, next level, because as you can see, this level is broken, 1945 level, and 1950 level is broken. So that's the next target. Hopefully, market will come to 1935, the way it's going. For day trades, you can go on smaller time frames, see if you can get an entry. as you can see from here, we expect market to come to here for now, 1940, before it breaks or maybe go to the upside and then come down as well. So that's the situation at the moment. And looking at Dixie, you can see that Dixie is moving and we can expect around 105 level. Now it's a 103 level. So that's the top level, but it also, we can have some rejection on this level here, 104, 170. So finally, we would see gold going to the downside because Dixie is going up as well. Let's see it in weekly. Yeah, this is week level, and we can see some rejection probably at this level. I mean, in terms of weekly. So tomorrow is end of week, so we can expect market to come to the this top level here. Normally on Friday, market goes in one direction, usually, not always. So we'll probably see market coming to this level, Dixie, and hence gold probably come to the level 1935 level, as I said before, which is this level here, around 1934, 35 level. So let's see how the market behaves. I hope this is useful, and you have a good day, good night, wherever you are, and I'll speak to you over the weekend. If you have any comments or any questions, please do mention in the section below. And also, if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button. Thank you very much and have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.